This is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel, and tonight it's 12 o'clock at night, and I'm going to put this roast into my crock pot, and I'm going to cook it on low for 10 hours. So that way, by 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, it'll be done and hopefully really, really tender. This is an beef Angus chuck pot roast. Beef chuck roast, but it's Angus beef. I've never fixed one of these before. I'm going to go on and get this out of here, and what I want to do is, I have never really done this I've made plenty of roast in my crock pot, but this is a Mississippi pot roast, so I've never really done this before. I've tried it, and then I forgot the pepperoncinis or whatever, so this time I have those. All right, this is 2 pounds, 0.35 ounces, so let me get you over here, zoom it out, and let you see what I'm going to do. Well, the first thing I need to do is I need to put some salt, kosher salt, and coarse ground black pepper on here. I put salt and pepper on the other side. I thought y'all could see what I was doing. Now I have deli sliced pepperoncinis. They're golden Greek. I have ranch seasoning. I have McCormick's Au Jus Gravy. And then I have the Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning mix. I'm using 2 tablespoons of that. The golden Greek deli sliced pepperoncinis, and I'm gonna put about, well, let me see if I can get it over. Okay, all right, I finally got it open. I like to never got these open. Really put too much, but it'll be all right. I'm gonna put some water back in this jar because I put, all right, so now I got about a half a cup of water because I want a lot of gravy. As a matter of fact, tomorrow I'm going to make all this, and I'm going to get the pepperoncinis out and the beef out, and I'm going to make the soup that's in there into a gravy. So I'm going to put the top on this, and I will bring you back tomorrow. This is going to cook for, like I said, I've got it on 10 hours. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day now. It's 10:55 a.m. I have gotten the beef out of here. I just got it on a paper plate right now. I should have got 2. But here's the beef. Where's the beef? Here's the beef. Alright, so that's the beef. Alright, and I got my little thing here and got all of the pepperoncinis out of the gravy. And I'm going to make a country gravy mix. Alright, so this only comes out this way. Alright, so we're just going to, I'm sure y'all can see me. I'm not going to be able to do that. I'm going to have to take the top off. Okay, so I'm just going to pour some in here. It says 3/4 of a cup. So we're going to do that. Blend this up. It's a 1/2 cup of water, but I've got more water in there with 3/4 of a cup of the gravy mix. And this is you can get these at Walmart, but I got them at Sam's. Pioneer Country Gravy Mix. This is 15.1 ounces. Alright, so let me whisk this up as much as I can, and I'll get it ready, and I'll bring y'all back. Okay, there's the inside of the gravy. Sugar, go lay down. Alright, so I'm going to pour this in here. And hope... I don't know what's wrong with my dog. Sugar! Alright, and then stir this up. Alright, and I've got this, stirring this up. Then I'm going to put the lid on it and see if it makes this any thicker than it is right now. Alright, I'll put the lid on here, put the beef back in here, and in a little while I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back, y'all. I was going to fix some mashed potatoes, but I don't know to go with this roast, but I don't know if I'm going to like this roast or not. I don't know. It's got a strong... I don't know. I can't decide, but I've got vegetables in the refrigerator that I have got to fix, which includes corn on the cob, asparagus, and zucchini and yellow squash. And so I'm just going to cook those today, get them out of the refrigerator. I have a little refrigerator. I used to didn't think it was little, but it is little now. And so I'm trying to get everything out of it. The kids are here this week, so I'm hoping that they'll be liking some of this stuff. But I'm going to go on. I've got like a 1/2 stick of butter in here and probably a 1.5 cups of water. I wanted to get, in the corn on the cob, I wanted to get more liquid on it so it would be more tender. Alright, I'm just letting y'all know that this is just a little bitty spoon and it's not getting very much salt at all on here. Alright. But this is what I use, so. Now pepper, it always does pretty good with the pepper. Alright. Just a little bit more pepper. The one thing that I love about the pressure cookers, the Instant Pot or this Foodie, is that they bring out the spices, or like the salt and pepper. It brings out that you get that oomph to it or whatever. So that is done now. I've got this in here. Oh, I got to put the other one. I'll bring you back. Okay. I'm sorry, I keep thinking that I can use this lid, and it just messes me up. I wish that they had a lid that was on, stayed on here. Alright, so I've got my pressure cooker lid on here. I've got it on sealing, not venting. Let me show you here. I'm going to zoom in if I can. Okay, there you go. All right, over here I'm going to do pressure, which is high. I'm going to take it down to 5 minutes for corn. I think maybe, I think I'm going to do 3 minutes. All right, press the on button, start button, whatever, and now it's going to do its thing. So I will bring y'all back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, now with this, I've got squash, yellow squash, and zucchini in my Instant Pot. The corn got done. I took it out, and now I'm cooking the yellow squash and zucchini. I'm going to cook it for 5 minutes and let it do a release of 5 to 10 minutes, and it should be done. I've got 3 yellow squash, 2 zucchinis, 1 large onion cut up, 1/2 stick of butter, salt and pepper in here. And that's all I'm putting in here. All right, so again, I'm going to put my lid on here. I'm going to put it on sealing, not venting. And I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to go to pressure. I'm going to go to 5 minutes and then set it, and I will bring y'all back. Okay, y'all, I can seriously say that I messed up and I didn't film our plates or whatever. Ashley and I pigged out. And this is the beef that I have left. I really did not like this so much. I mean, it was okay. It probably would be, I ate it by itself with the gravy or whatever on it. But to me, probably it would be way better on 2 slices of bread with some mayonnaise and make a beef sandwich. That would, instead of eating it the way that I ate it. And we had, I fixed 4 ears of corn in the Ninja Foodi, and that was amazing. I fixed asparagus in these are the leftovers that I was getting ready to put them in the refrigerator, and I thought, oh my gosh, I did not show y'all what this looked like. This is the asparagus. I didn't like this time either. I always said that I wouldn't fix the asparagus any other way now except in the Ninja Foodi grill. But these are the little bitty stalks of asparagus, and I really just didn't like them. I really didn't. And then here is my squash. It's yellow squash, zucchini, and onions and butter, salt and pepper in here. I love squash. I love it. This and the corn was probably the 2 best things that I made today. So this was my dinner, Ashley's lunch or whatever. And like I said, this beef is really, really tender. I think that probably either late tonight or tomorrow I will fix me a beef sandwich with mayonnaise and put this on it. I think that will be amazing. The asparagus, I really couldn't get into that so much either. Ashley's taking the asparagus home and the corn home. And my potato salad, she's taking a big bowl of that. And I'm keeping the beef and the squash here with me. And I dumped out the rest of the potato salad. I got sick of potato salad, so I dumped that out. And so I've had some good meals. I've still got several other things that I've got to fix this week and all, but I've had some good meals. The kids ate what they wanted. They really didn't want any of this. The corn on the cob, I cut them off some corn on the cob. They ate some of that. and some of the beef, they don't like squash, they don't like asparagus, so they ate cereal. What other, what do kids like, or whatever cereal? Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and my Instagram. There'll also be links below to different things that I use in my own house or whatever that you can click on and go to Amazon and purchase those things. No, it's no difference in the price. It's all the same whether you click on my link down in at the bottom of this video, or whether you go to Amazon yourself and click on it. It's the same price. It's just that I am an affiliate of Amazon, so I do get a few pennies off of $1 or whatever, and it really does help out sometimes. So I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. I love you all. Bye.